How to save Webpage as PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom. Then, go to apple.com. Over here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the share icon in the middle. You can view all the sharing options available. Over here, tap on Options. Select the format you want to send the file as. For example, PDF. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. And then, tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder you want to save the file to and tap on Save at the top. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to the folder you just saved the file to. Open the file to view it. Then, tap on the arrow icon at the top. As you can see, this file is now in a PDF format. Following these steps, you can easily save Webpage as PDF on iPhone.